Replace a fuel pump in a Pontiac Bonneville. The Pontiac Bonneville is a creation of the General Motors and is regarded as one of the heaviest sedans ever built. A giant of a sedan, the Pontiac Bonneville was released in 1957 but on a limited production only. But its apparent market success led the Pontiac Bonneville into the production line until 2005, that is almost 50 years of production and manufacturing. That is not bad for a car that is initially released to be as a limited design. And through the years of the Pontiac Bonneville manufacturing lifetime, it has gone through many changes and improvements. It has incorporated modern safety features and engine optimizing innovations. It even boasts of having fuel pumps in its engine that it also means you have to take care of it. Here are some tips on how to replace a fuel pump in a Pontiac Bonneville. Not so huge requirements. Replacing a Pontiac Bonneville does not call for major heavy-duty gear and equipment. For this project you will need a fuel pump kit and a socket wrench. This is no Herculean task. But if you go about it unprepared, you will be in for a big challenge. So take time to prepare to make the job easy. What fuel pump to use? The Pontiac Bonneville is a car that has gone through changes and developments. Together with the changes are the parts. For that reason, you should know what fuel pump you should use. The model and the make determine the fuel pump you will have to buy. Pontiac Bonnevilles released in the year 1958 to 1964 uses 389 cubic inch engines. The 1965 to 1970 types uses 455 Ci engines. Make sure to check for the correct year and make of your car. The right way to begin the process. Before you begin replacing your car's fuel pump, make sure that you have a good workspace. Park the car in a garage with ample room for you to maneuver parts in and out. When you are in a good spot, begin by removing the pressure from the fuel system. The fuel tank should be empty, so drain it properly. The socket wrench should be used to remove the negative battery cable. To get closer to the fuel pump, the jack and spare tire should be out of the way to remove them so you can take out the trunk's lining. Upon doing so, you can now open the fuel sender access panel. Get closer to the fuel pump. Now that the fuel is at hand, take away the quick connect fittings as well as the electrical connector. The retaining ring of the fuel sender should also go. The O-ring should be discarded as well. The electrical connection and hoses should be disengaged, then remove the fuel pump. with the old pump out, time to put in the new fuel pump with the help of grommets and some insulators. The O-rings and strainer should also be replaced with new parts. The entire process will be completed by returning the parts. The Pontiac Bonneville is a good car to have. Take care of it so you can continue driving it.